po mga kabalen at mga kapitbahay. Ito po si Dr. Contessa Salvador, ang inyong pong skincare specialist dito sa CSA Derm Center. Sa episode pong ito, ating tutukuyin ang mga iba't iba o kadalasang mga nakikita naming skin conditions dito sa aming Derm Center. Una na po dyan, ang kadalasan ang tigyawat o pimple. Pangalawa po, ang problema sa mga pekas, blemishes, or pigmentations sa skin. At pangatlo po, ang kadalasan din po, ang aging skin, na kung saan meron pong mga wrinkles, lines, or sagging skin. At this episode of CSA Derm Center Show, we are going to highlight the Oxygen Peptide Infusion. This line of treatment actually will be treating acne, anti-aging, and whitening. So what are these kinds of treatments? The first one, acne treatment. So this kind of treatment will be able to control breakouts, will be able to also kind of give the skin something to combat those factors that can lead or cause to the formation of acne breakouts. The second one is on the whitening treatment. Oxygen infusion also has these important ingredients that will be able to lighten pigmentations on the skin. Some of the sunspots, freckles, or even melasma. Oxygen infusion can also treat these kinds of blemishes. One, they also have this kind of treatment that will prevent or delay the aging of the skin. It has some components or ingredients, particularly peptides, that are targeting the causes of aging. And usually aging process, of course, there will be already the collagen breakdown. So these peptides have important components that will replenish natural ingredients that will replace the missing collagen in our skin.
pagkakaiba ng oxygen infusion sa other
facial treatments? Kadalasan tinatanong to sa akin. Maraming kasing mga facial treatments. Sa oxygen facial po, ang pinagkaiba nito sa ibang mga facials, meron po siyang oxygen infusion. It's like breathing in 100% pure oxygen. It gives life to all our cells. So you give life to your skin. Diba? So it's a beautiful technology that they have made. And the thing is, it also gives faster healing for inflamed skin conditions like acne. So mabilis ang recovery, mabilis ang healing, mabilis ang repair. That's the wonderful thing with oxygen facial. Kasi a lot of people go to facial treatments. Mostly, it's just what they know is it will only remove dead cells. Or ang alam lang nila, extraction ng mga pimples, blackhead, whitehead. Ang experience nila, masakit. It's painful. Kadalasan yun ang kino-complain. And they come out of the treatment, yung face nila, yung skin nila, very red and very inflamed looking. Supposed to be when you go get a treatment, it will help improve your skin condition. Plus, syempre dapat naman lumabas ka ng clinic na improve ang skin, naging clear, at saka yung mayroong glow. So with the oxygen treatment po, actually it's a painless treatment. Plus, it's relaxing, it's pampering your skin, and it is infusing natural nutrients and peptides into the deeper layers of our skin. The wonderful thing then with oxygen infusion, the peptides and molecules were made into nanoparticles. Ano ba yung nanoparticles?
Ano ba yung nanoparticles?
Kasi nutrients should be absorbed within the inner layers of the skin. I had one patient before, sabi niya sa akin, how come you give collagen cream? These are very large particles. How can they enter the skin? I answered the foreigner, sir, there's a technology that made it into nanoparticles, wherein it can be easily absorbed into the deeper layers of the skin. That's the beautiful thing po with this kind of treatment. The serums, the creams, the oxygen mist can penetrate within the layers of the skin, yes, wherein they can give the skin rejuvenation, revitalization, repair, healing, and all the nutrients na kailangan ng skin natin para ma-improve yung mga skin problems. Even yung mga impurities natin, madali na silang ma-extract or maalis. So after the treatment, ang feedback ng mga clients, ang improvement sa skin is superb. Meron yung natural glow after they have done the oxygen peptide infusion.
Like the call center agent, like kuya, yung makain hindi masyadong healthy. Nagka-breakout, nagkitagyawan. Pero after nung nasubukan ko yung treatment ng oxygen, na-feel ko agad na may effect sa mga pimples ko. Like the marks, nag-lighten. Na-feel ko na nag-soften yung skin ko sa face. So, I think this is actually the best treatment for me.
Great po din sa na-try kong facial before, mas na-relax ako dito sa oxygen facial na to. Marami silang nilagay na serum and malamig siya sa balat.
The product is all natural and the facial has no coating. Kaya it's very refreshing and recommended for facial.
Sa akin, naramdaman ko po na nag-tighten yung skin ko at saka refreshing. Tapos po, nakita ko po na nag-lighten yung skin ko.
So yun, Doc, maraming salamat po sa laging pag-aalaga sa aming mga skin.
Walang anuman, Mart. So I am very much pleased po and very much honored, very happy that I will be able to help you. That is the goal of CSA Derm Center, the goal of Skin Perfection Company, to give us very helpful, very beneficial skin treatments, to give us very healthy, naturally glowing skin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating episode ngayon. Kami po ay matatagpuan po dito sa Dau Pure Gold, second floor building, or sa Balibago Clinic po, beside the Roses Handicraft. If you have any questions po, don't hesitate to call us or text us at 0917-504-4268. Maraming salamat po. God bless you all.
Good grooming makes good gentlemen, and there's nothing more appealing than the fresh smell of a proper gentleman. That's what makes a Topcock man stand out from the crowd. Topcock products are formulated from the ground up exclusively for men. Topcock contains silver nanoparticles. These particles are all natural and an extremely effective antibacterial, fungal, viral, true male cleaning protection. Topcock. Be certified today.